Hello friends, today I want to talk about hacking, who is hacker, types of hacker and so on. Who is hacker? Using own skills and knowledge to gain authorized access to a software, computer or a network. Use own tools and techniques. Is not always bad. Type of hacker. There are 3 types of hacker. First, white hat hack. Second, gray hat hacker. And third is black hat hacker. Difference between hacker and cracker. Hacker access your data with or without your permission. Cracker always access your data without your permission and damage your assets and system. How to become hacker. Basic knowledge of hardware and software. Knowledge of HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, web server, FTP, etc. Knowledge of networking like TCP or IP, RO, devices, routing and switching. Knowledge of OS like Linux Kali, Linux Parrot, Linux Red Hat, Windows, Android, iOS, Mac. Programming is important, and most importantly, don't learn it all but know it all. Phase of hacking. First, footprinting. Second, scanning. Third is gaining access. Fourth is maintaining access. Fifth and last is cleaning log. Note, next video I will discuss about phase of hacking and explain each and every points. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.